Guys, today we have I Redmi 8 not charging. Customer bring this device told me that the phone is not charging, so I'm going to check and there is no sign of charging. It seems that the charging cable is not fitting into the charging port. Remove SIM card slot, this is very important. Remove the housing of this model is very easy. We don't have anything to heat up. You can just unplug the housing using any plastic tool, or you can use your fingernails. Start detaching from all the edges and the back will be out. Remember that we have a fingerprint flex cable on the back, so when it's out, don't push it too much. We need to unplug that flex cable first. In order to remove this fingerprint flex cable, we have to remove all the shield and the screws. Then we can unplug the flex cable from the inside. We have other methods that we can remove the flex cable is from the housing. It's on the left side. You can just remove the sticker, the yellow sticker, and then unplug that flex cable. But I'm always prefer to remove the fingerprint flex cable from the board. Be very careful when you are removing that shield. If you push too much, you could cut that flex cable because this shield could removed without you even noticed, and then you can cut that. So always patient is very necessary to make the job very perfectly. I don't know why the company put that flex cable inside this shield. You can't even unplug it out. You have to use something to reach it and unplug it. This is so weird somehow. After that, we can unplug the battery. I'm always prefer to unplug the battery whatever the phone it's on your hands, especially if you are dealing with any Apple devices. It's very important to unplug the battery. Remove loudspeaker from the bottom and remove that screws. We have here the charging sub. You can now unplug it, the flex cable between the motherboard and to the sub. Remove the one screws in there and unplug the antenna, and after that the charging sub will be loose and out. You can heat it to remove it easily without any problem, and you can just replace it and the job is done now. But I'm not going to stick with this plan. I'm going to proceed with the fixing of that charging port. I'm going to try to replace it, but when I had checked that charging port, I noticed that I don't have this charging port, so I proceed with the cleaning, and after that we will check if we got and fixed this problem or not. A very something for you to know, we are not cheating on our customers, but always customers asked for lower price cost. So when they told you to fix their phone with the lowest cost, so we always try our best to do that for them. I don't know what's the problem of my heat gun, but when I take it out from the station, it doesn't heat up to the degree I wanted. There is some loss. I think the problem with the sensor. I will fix it soon. I don't know what causing this heat gun to be weird like that. Anyway, I will stick with the repair. I heated this up. I'm going to unplug it, and then as I told you, you can just put the video now and replace the sub, and then you can assemble the phone back and your problem should be solved. There is a black adhesive on the charging port. So I'm going to use the heat gun to remove that adhesive. I'm going to check whatever I got this type C charging port or not, because I can't know with the model if I didn't scratch this glue. Anyway, after scratching, I noticed that I didn't have this charging type C with stock. So I'm going now to repair the phone with cleaning to see if we can fix the problem. After that, I'm going to replace the whole sub if this didn't work. But when I logged inside the charging port, I noticed there is some dirt, some wood. I don't know what it is, but there is something dirt inside, and with removing this and clean it with alcohol, the problem has been solved. Sometimes the fix can't cause you nothing. You can fix your devices with a zero price, and sometimes you have to replace something in the end. We always don't know what could lead up to, but we always try to make the first option is to clean, to replace port, and then to replace sub. This is the lower cost comes first. I will try the best cleaning, and after that we will try together to see if this will help or not. Okay, now we can put the charger to see if the charger is fit. Now the charger is fit, not like before, so I think the problem has been solved. I'm going now to assemble the charging port, and then I will test with the phone. As you can see, the problem has been solved. Now the device is charging like before. We have fixed the problem with a lower cost or without any cost. This is so important. You can try the cleaning without even opening the device. As I told you, you don't need to open the device to do that cleaning. You can do that cleaning from the outside. I opened the device because I was planning to replace the charging port, but when I didn't found it, I had to make something different to try the cleaning first, and then we will order the piece and replace it for the customer. Now all you have to do is to assemble the rubber shields for the audio jack and for the charging port. Replace all the pieces you got out, and put the assemble the phone back, and that's it. If you have any question, just write it down on the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. We will see you. Peace.